Bald-faced hornets are really a relative of yellow jackets, not hornets. The name comes because they're black but have white markings on their face. They also have slanted lines running from their midsection to their heads. They are large, 3/4 of an inch long, and as aggressive as hornets. The queens are larger than the workers. The papery nests are gray, football-shaped, and can be quite large. They can be 24 inches high and 18 inches wide, with a single opening at the bottom for the hornets to fly in and out. The nest is suspended above the ground 3 to 60 feet, often in bushes or trees like other yellow jackets. Queens overwinter in hollow trees, rock piles, or under bark, walls, etc., and in the spring they start to build a nest. She will chew wood, dead plants, newspaper, or cardboard to mix the cellulose with her saliva and make a paste. She uses this to make papery material for the nest. Then she'll make cells in the nest and lay eggs in them, feeding them when they hatch. Eventually, there will be 3 or 4 tiers of hexagonal combs similar to honeybee nests. The larvae that hatch will become the worker bees who build nests, collect food, feed the larvae, and protect the nest for her. She continues to lay eggs, and by the end of the summer there are 100 to 400 workers. The nests are not reused. In July to September, males and new queens are produced. They will leave the nest, mate, and the females hibernate for the winter. The workers, the old queen, and the males will die. Their diet consists of flies, other yellow jackets, and other types of insects. Later in the summer, there are fewer larvae to feed, so they will eat nectar and other carbohydrates. Most of them will die before or soon after the hard frost. The fertilized potential queens will overwinter for the next year, though. They are beneficial in that they reduce populations of other insects and pollinate the flowers, but when the nest is near a building or other areas involving humans, they can be dangerous. They will sting when threatened and can squirt venom from their stinger into the eyes of anyone who tries to enter the nest. This venom will cause temporary blindness and watery eyes of the intruder.